last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Choco cow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss. And without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl. I no go feed the girl. It's out, though. I'm a mind that's you talk, though. I put my life into my...
Today is the end of my third semester, which means I'm done with my first year courses. It also means that I have to reorganize my desk and my entire life in just 3 minutes because I didn't even have the time to do anything at all except for studies. So, if you're interested, keep on watching. I'm so tired.
Kilo fat, I'm a dead chocolate. Fine, oh, bucket. Watch your love for like it. Why not? Your body, chocolate. Bush it,
I think, like, to me, reorganizing and cleaning my room is like the most efficient way to get back on track, especially when I feel like I'm all over the place, especially because it helps me to feel like I'm a bit more productive. I don't know if that's the case with you guys. I know for a fact that exam season is like one of the most stressful part of the semester. I feel like the two most important reasons for me being very unproductive and being all over the place is number one, not actually drinking enough water because it's clearly empty and it has been like that for at least 2 days. It's not like I didn't drink water, otherwise I would have been dead by now, obviously. But yeah, not drinking enough water. Number two is actually not getting enough sleeps because my sleep schedule is clearly fucked. I'm gonna try and get a good night's sleep today, and by try and get a good night's sleep, I mean I'm gonna clearly fail at it, but it's okay. And if you did enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed making this video, be sure to drop a like and also subscribe, and even if you didn't, drop a like because it's free. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.